Hi, I'm Kris Todd. I'm the owner of KAT Organizing Relocation Solutions. My gosh, this whole house is filled with stuff. So one of the things that we can help people with is just straight downsizing. So which means it could fall into two categories. You could be downsizing because you've lived in your house for 50 years and it's time to move on. The other aspect is you're downsizing because you're going to stay in your house, but you have some medical challenges. Now we want to make it so it's just for you and it's functioning. We can put ramps in, we can put guardrails up, we can retrofit the kitchen if need be. So what you want to do is start with something small, like a closet drawer or a dresser drawer that's a junk drawer. You don't want to go too big because then you'll be overwhelmed. So let's start with something small. You can even set a timer. After 30 minutes, when the timer goes off, stop. Just keep in mind that this didn't start in one day. I mean, you've been living in this house for 50 years. So it's okay that it takes a little bit of time, and it's okay to ask for help. Ask a friend, ask a relative, or call a professional. Now that you've downsized, what do we do now? We're still going to go shopping, we're still going to buy stuff. But here's the tip. You buy one, you get one away. So it's one in, one out. You buy a new shirt, you let go of a shirt. You buy a new pair of shoes, you let go of a pair of shoes. You buy something for the yard, you let go of something for the yard. There's a reason why you want to replace it, so just let it go.